Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2010 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. At room temperature, a possible value for the mobility of electrons in the inversion layer of silicon N-channel MOSFET is A 450, B 1350, C 1800, D 3600. Which will be the right answer for silicon N-channel MOSFET and the mobility of electrons in the inversion layer? We know that one N-channel MOSFET is always fabricated under P-type substrate, okay, and N-channel implies nothing but the channel consisting of, okay, the channel consisting of N-type charge carriers. So we will go with N-channel MOSFET construction, and if you are looking at the figure A at that time, this is N-channel MOSFET, whereas N-channel MOSFET is going to be fabricated under P-type substrate, so this is going to be called as P sub. In this P-type substrate, two N plus regions are going to be diffused. One is acting as source, the other is acting as drain, and this is enhancement type, so that it is called as normally off transistor. Normally off transistor. Normally off transistor means initially if you are not applying any voltage, it will be acting as off transistor. That implies nothing but there is no drain current flows. So to get a drain current, at that time you must apply some positive voltage for this N channel, so that it can attract the electrons from the P-type substrate. Electrons from the P-type substrate are nothing but minority carriers from the substrate, and those electrons are going to be accumulated near the silicon dioxide layer. This is a silicon dioxide layer, this white space. This is silicon dioxide layer. It is called as thin oxide or gate oxide. It is called as thin oxide or gate oxide, so which is acting as insulator. So no charge carriers are going to be moving beyond this layer, so that all the charge carriers are going to be accumulated near this region. That is nothing but over this place. Look at the second diagram. In this second diagram, this green color is nothing but this green color consisting of minus signs. Minus sign is to represent the electron, so that these are nothing but N channel is going to be created. Previously this place consisting of P-type substrate, now it has been inverted towards N-type charge carriers. Previously it was consisting of holes, now it is consisting of electrons. Electrons are opposite of holes, so that this channel is going to be called as inverted channel, or the channel present, the charge present in this one is going to be called as inversion charge. Okay, so in this one, inversion charge is nothing but the channel consisting of electrons. So electrons of inversion layer is nothing but electrons of inversion layer, which is nothing but electrons of silicon only. Because the P-type substrate is of silicon, in that one you are getting a channel that is also of silicon type. So electrons of silicon is nothing but the answer for this one. The mobility of electrons of silicon is nothing but answer for this question. Mobility of electrons of silicon is nothing but answer for this one. So that is mu n of silicon is nothing but answer. Mu n of silicon is nothing but 1300 centimeter square per volt second. This is standard value, but it is approximately equal to 1350. The answer for this question is B. Okay, standard value what we have read in the textbooks is nothing but 1300 is nothing but mobility of electrons in silicon. It is approximated as 1350 in the question. So the right option is B. Thank you.